The following message is transmitted at the request of a civil danger warning, serving around the area of San Francisco. All residents here around the area ocean coast of San Francisco, get out of the water and all of the beaches immediately. There have been reports that an extremely large and dangerous sea creature, resembling a large white sperm whale, has been reported to attack large boats and cruise ships, and people around the ocean coasts and beaches around the area of San Francisco. All beaches and boat traveling around the area of San Francisco has been closed unfortunately due to this. Do not go to the ocean or the beaches immediately, as you will be putting yourself in an extremely high risk and a possible certain death, if you do so. The giant sea creature that is spotted in the ocean area of San Francisco could be the famous gigantic sperm whale called Moby, but it is not, however, confirmed at this time. Please stay tuned for more updates and information about this dangerous and strange situation as it follows. The following message is transmitted at the request of a civil danger warning that was issued, serving around the area of San Francisco. At around 4:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Residents here around the area of San Francisco, if you are in the area right near to the Golden Gate Bridge, you must evacuate now, as it is not safe to go there anymore due to the Moby roaming around the ocean in the Golden Gate area of San Francisco. Do not approach the Moby, as the whale is considered to be extremely dangerous due to how aggressive it is. If you do, you will face certain death if you attempt to approach it in the ocean. The military has been called in to deal with this situation, as the airstrikes and military ships will arrive in about 20 minutes, in order to destroy the monstrous whale. Stay tuned for more updates and information as it follows.
This is ABC 7 News speaking and serving around the area of San Francisco. There have been reports that an extremely large and dangerous sea creature called the Moby, an extremely large and dangerous sperm whale that is known from the novel, has been reported to attack and being rampaging and roaming throughout the area ocean coast of San Francisco. It has been reported that it attacked around 5 people in the San Francisco coast beach and destroying the Golden Gate Bridge a few hours ago. Residents here around the area of San Francisco, please do not go to the Golden Gate Bridge area or the ocean, or you will be putting yourself in an extremely high risk and a possible certain death. And do not approach the gigantic sperm whale creature called the Moby, or you will face certain death if you attempt to do so. The military airstrikes and the warships will be arriving in the next 15 minutes, so please stay tuned for more information and updates about this dangerous and life-threatening situation as it follows.
The following message is transmitted at the request of an emergency action termination that was issued. This is an all-clear message. The gigantic sperm whale creature, called the Moby, has been reported to be killed by the military airstrikes and the warships. But however, there is a devastating massive amount of damage around the Golden Gate area of San Francisco. It will take years to rebuild all of this damage that was caused by the Moby. Please do not go to the Golden Gate Bridge, as it is destroyed and under construction, and it will take some years for it to repair back to normal. Normal programming may now continue and resume. We thank you for your cooperation.